In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in ActiveCampaign using a step-by-step 2025 tutorial. If you're managing a database of contacts for your business or personal use, ensuring that your list is clean and organized is crucial. It helps maintain efficiency and accuracy across your communications. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Head over to activecampaign.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, look to your left-hand menu and click on Contacts to access your full contact list. This will be your hub for managing all of your contacts. Next, you'll want to identify those duplicate contacts that need to be merged. Use the search bar at the top of your contact list for this. Duplicate contacts usually share the same email address, name, or even similar details. Once you've pinpointed the duplicates, you're ready to begin the merging process. Now click on one of the duplicate contacts, which will open up their contact profile. On this page, you'll see a merge icon located near the top right corner. It looks like two arrows forming a circle. Alternatively, you can find this option in the Actions drop-down menu by selecting Merge. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for consolidation. After clicking the Merge option, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose another contact to merge with the one you've selected. Here, you'll need to type in the name or email address of the duplicate contact you want to merge. Be precise when doing this to ensure you're selecting the correct contact. Next, from the search results, select the correct contact to merge. Once you've done this, it's essential to review the details of both contacts. ActiveCampaign's Smart Merging feature will automatically combine the data by keeping the most recent or complete information. This includes preserving tags, custom fields, and lists related to those contacts. After reviewing the contact details, go ahead and click Merge Contacts. You'll receive a confirmation message once the merge is successfully completed, signifying that your records are now consolidated. Finally, to confirm that the merge was successful, navigate back to your contacts page. You should see that the duplicates have been merged into one unified contact entry, clearing up any issues with redundancy. Before you wrap up, here's a pro tip to keep in mind. Make sure that both contacts have either the same or related information, such as the same email address, before merging. This precaution helps prevent you from accidentally merging unrelated records. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to merging contacts in ActiveCampaign. Keep practicing these steps to maintain a clean and efficient database that ensures your messaging is as effective as possible.